All right guys, so again, a lot of people don't know how to do upper body with the ladder. The next one we're gonna be doing is the push-up series. Watch. All right, so the ladder is a perfect place to get people to do more push-ups. When I do with clients, they're like, how did I do 20 push-ups in the workout? Well, I threw the ladder drill in and disguised it as push-ups, or disguised it as a ladder drill. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna actually use the rungs as a guideline, and we're gonna step out, do a wide push-up, step in, do a narrow push-up, step out, do a wide push-up, step in, do a narrow push-up. There's ways that you can progress this. That's not necessarily the way I do all the time. Sometimes what I'll actually do is have people just do walking push-ups where they're out, boom. So you can see this flows a little bit better than that last one. And it takes a while to get that rhythm. Even if you're experienced, you just gotta find a rhythm that works for you. But that gives you a guideline for the push-ups. With most rungs, you're gonna get like 10, which is amazing. So great upper body, core, and legs, and cardio.